Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we will dive into the crunchy coating, modern fillings, and how to find the best Trdelnik on your travels. Let's continue. This overlapping technique is vital because it allows the pastry to fuse together into a solid tube while it cooks. If the loops are too loose, the cake will fall apart before it ever reaches your hand. Most traditional stalls still use glowing coals or specialized rotisserie ovens to bake the cakes. As the spit turns, the radiant heat cooks the dough evenly. The baker must constantly monitor the color, moving the spit closer to or further from the heat source to prevent burning. It is a slow, steady process that ensures the middle stays soft while the exterior firms up. The secret to that perfect crunchy coating. What truly transforms a simple piece of baked dough into a Trdelnik is the coating process. Before the spit even touches the fire, the baker brushes the raw dough with melted butter or oil. They then roll the entire cylinder in a mixture of granulated sugar and crushed walnuts. This step is where the magic happens because the heat of the fire turns that sugar into a dark, amber-colored glaze. As the sugar melts, it creates a glass-like shell that snaps when you bite into it. The crushed nuts provide an earthy saltiness that balances out the intense sweetness of the caramel. Many bakers wait until the very last second of baking to give the cake one final roll in extra cinnamon sugar. This creates multiple layers of flavor that range from deep, burnt sugar to bright, aromatic spice. Modern twists and creative fillings. While the classic version is just a hollow tube, recent years have seen a massive shift toward more decadent variations. In a move that essentially broke the internet, vendors began sealing the bottom of the pastry and using it as a cone. This innovation allowed them to stuff the warm cake with elaborate fillings that turned the snack into a full-scale dessert. Common modern fillings you will find in busy city centers include creamy Nutella spread with sliced strawberries, cold vanilla soft serve ice cream or heavy whipped cream, rich pastry cream topped with tart berry compote, crushed Oreos, sprinkles, or even chunks of fruit. While purists might prefer the simple elegance of the plain cinnamon walnut version, these ice cream chimneys have become iconic. There is something undeniably fun about eating cold ice cream out of a steaming, fresh from the oven pastry. It creates a temperature contrast that makes the dessert feel much more complex than a standard cone. Finding and enjoying the best chimney cakes on your travels. When you are hunting for the best chimney cake, your eyes and nose are your best tools. Avoid any shop that has a pile of pre-made cakes sitting cold in a glass display case. A stale Trdelnik becomes tough and chewy rather than light and crisp. Instead, look for the stalls with a line of people and a baker actively winding dough onto spits in real time. Quality vendors often use real wood coals, which impart a subtle smoky flavor that electric ovens just cannot replicate. You should also watch the sugar coating. It should look like a shiny, even glaze rather than a gritty layer of raw sugar. If you see the steam rising as they pull the cake off the spit, you know you have found the real deal. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.